session of ukulele tutorials.
In this session, we're going to teach you how to play You Are My Sunshine.
For this song, you will need 3 chords. The first chord is a C. To play a C, you will need your 3rd finger on the A string block 3, and it sounds like this.
The second chord's an F, and you'll need finger 1 and 2. And they go on these spaces, and this is how it sounds.
The 3rd chord is a G. For this chord, you will need 3 fingers. Finger number 1, number 2, and number 3. They go on these strings and on these spaces. And this is how it sounds.
And it sounds like this.
You are my C, my only C. You make me F when skies are C. You'll never F how much I see. So please don't see my G, my C.